Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So this is a much requested video from Instagram. I put up an Instagram poll that I was going to dye my hair jet black, and did you guys want to see a YouTube video on how I dye my hair but still make sure that I keep my curl retention. It's a very different method than how normal people dye their hair, so you guys wanted it, so we're here. First things first, I'm using the Dark and Lovely dye. It's going to be in 371, which is jet black, fade resistant, all that good stuff. So the first thing that I do is I am going to, this is, I don't know what day this is, because this is like a day 10. This is very old. So I'm going to first of all wash my hair with shampoo. I always try to use a sulfate free shampoo. So this is by Eden Body Works, and it's a peppermint tea tree. So let's shampoo my hair real quick. Alright, so my hair has been shampooed. I did 2 rounds of shampoo, one strictly focusing on the roots to make sure that all the gunk and stuff that I had doing my washing was all out, and then another light one on my ends. So I'm ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is part my hair in 4 sections and apply a conditioner. I'm using the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea conditioner. You either want to use a conditioner or a deep conditioner. I wouldn't advise using things that are called like hair mask or hair treatment, because you don't want it to do that. You literally just want to condition your hair. So either a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner will work. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got the conditioner in my hair. The conditioner's been in my hair for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the dye. Don't forget to use the gloves that they give you. So all I'm going to do is take each twist down, apply the dye, and then roll my hair back up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. because I had a little bit more dye left over and really wanted to get the front. So all I'm going to do is just put on a couple of plastic caps. Maybe one more. These are super cheap. I got these a pack of 15 at Walmart for like $1. So maybe one more. 3 total. So I'm just gonna put this on here. What I'm basically gonna do, leave it in for 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to apply the conditioner that they gave you. So it comes with a moisture rich conditioner. I'm going to put this in my head, leave it in for like 5 minutes or so, and then wash it out, and then apply my normal wash and go products. So that's it. And we are all black. Curls are still intact, if not more popping. I will put in my description box all of the products that I use for my wash and go. It's only 3. A leave-in, a curl sculptor, and then a styling gel. There's also a code that I have if you want to shop those products. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I've got some exciting videos coming up. And yeah, don't forget to check me out on social media. Later, guys.